Hey, so, how do you plan on steering this thing on land? Duh.
Kelso, I think you should wear a helmet just in case anything goes wrong.
Guys, I'm riding an open canoe down a rocky mountainside. What could possibly go wrong?
I think I'm with Fez on this helmet thing.
No, I'm not falling for that one.
Falling for what?
The old helmet gag.
Kelso, I just want you to protect your head from being crushed like a berry.
Yeah, you'd like that, wouldn't you? Now, let go of the ropes and watch me fly! One, two, three. Woohoo! Oh, man! Stupid thing. Oh, man! That could have been me! We'll get a running start. And then I'll jump in and zoom down the hill like the bobsledders do.
And then, because it's a canoe on dirt and gravel instead of a bobsled on ice, bad things are gonna happen to you.
This is why I'm a legend, Fez.
All right, Kelso, this time, you're wearing a helmet.
Thanks, Hyde, but I think I'm not gonna put on a helmet with a bunch of worms and stuff crammed inside.
It's not a prank.
Well, now it's not, because I didn't fall for it.
It finally happened. I'll become the boy who cried helmet.
Okay. On three. Go! Holy crap! Did you see me bounce off of that tree?
You think maybe we're getting too old for this kind of thing?
You can't control the timing of when a canoe is going to come into your life.
Oh, Steven, this is a horrible stunt. You're gonna get hurt.
No. I'm driving the car. Kelso will be in the canoe.
Oh, okay. Have fun.
All right, Kelso, listen. You gotta wear the helmet, all right?
Yeah, protect that face. That's your money.
No, I don't want to.
Kelso, you're not pulling out of this driveway until you put on a helmet.
Fine, everyone's against me. Let the sparks fly!
Look at that crazy bastard. He may not be smart, but he has more fun than all of us combined.
Yep. We had a guy like him in the National Guard.
Yeah, what happened to him?
Invented the wiffle ball.
Donna, what happened?
It's ruined. My dress is ruined. What am I gonna do?
It's okay, honey. I'll find you a new dress, a better dress.
This is my greatest achievement ever!
Dad, I love this dress. Some random thing off the rack just won't be the same.
The rope broke!
Runaway canoe!
Yes! Oh, no, Donna, I think I ripped your dress.